Alright, besties, let's get to the market. Today we'll be making coconut rice. This was me selecting pepper. I love fresh peppers. Alright, so after here I'll get to the place I'll be buying fish. So that's the fish I'll be using today. From there I'll get to where I'll be buying my spices. Then my crayfish. I love fresh looking crayfish, as you can see. The crayfish are so beautiful. They're neatly selected. So I had coconut already at home, so I decided to just break it and use my hand to create it because there was no light, so I had to do that with my hands because I could not blend it. That was my ingredients, well prepared and neatly washed, especially that fish. So that was me adding my oil and my onion to the fire. That's the fish. So I love frying the fish first. So in this process, I'm going to add the pepper and my seasoning cube to make sure that they all marry themselves. You understand? So inside that pepper, I have some blended onion. So I'm going to mix them thoroughly and make sure that everything is. That was my seasoning cube. I don't love adding too much seasoning cube to my food, so I used just 2 seasoning cubes. Alright, so that is me adding my crayfish. I was so generous with it. Okay, so I will still have to add later. Yeah, I love a lot of crayfish in my coconut rice. That's the coconut milk. So you have to allow this to boil for some time. I did it behind the camera because there was no time. So you allow it to boil first before adding your parboiled rice. Okay, and you have to stir it very well, test, and allow it to cook. Okay. Stay. I love crayfish, so I needed to add extra crayfish, and the pepper wasn't enough, and I love onion too. You can see I had to add extra. Okay, so that was me stirring and trying to test, and we're almost done. You have to test this because send your location and we can share. I love you guys. Bye.